Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is Nancy with nancyjoseph.com. I am a business mentor and I work with makeup artists and I teach them how to create six-figure businesses. Today's training is about how to handle bad reviews. Now, if you've been doing makeup for a while, chances are you've had some reviews and they're posted on social media, on Wedding Wire, and I hope that most of your reviews are positive and your brides had a great experience and they just want to, tell everybody how amazing you are, which is true. And then the day comes when you get the bad review and it lives and breathes on social media forever and ever and ever. And also in your soul, it lives forever. Why is it that we can get like 20 great testimonials and then we get one bad one and we just want to pack up the kit, or you just want to quit and be done? Well, I'm here to tell you that this is very common, okay? First of all, if you don't get a bad review, then you haven't put yourself out there enough. So I'm going to encourage you just to keep going at it and just not allow a bad review to stop you in your tracks, because you are brilliant at what you do and the world is waiting for you. So you just got to keep going out there. But you're not for everybody, okay? And you can't please everybody all the time. So anyways, I have a bad review on my Wedding Wire, and the best way to respond to that is just to be gracious and say, yes, I appreciate you for letting me know that you weren't satisfied or happy with the services. It's important to me that when people aren't happy, that they let me know. So just that simple. I wanted to fight with her, but I didn't. So anyways, guys, quick tip. In business, it's tough. Hang in there. Check out the resources below. Love you guys. Bye-bye.